Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog nail clippers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Epica Professional Dog Nail Clipper. The king of dog nail clippers. These simple scissor-style dog nail clippers don't look much different compared to similar clippers, but this model manages to surpass them across the board. Their main strength is, well, strength. Due to this, these dog nail clippers have long been our preferred pick for our dogs, whose long black nails are practically impenetrable. The semicircular sharp blades surround the nail, allowing you to see exactly where you're cutting, and a quick guard prevents you from going too deep, so you won't have to worry about clipping the quick. Their high-grade stainless steel build makes them a durable pair. These dog nail clippers come in 2 sizes to suit both small and large pets, but reviewers find them smaller than expected. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Resco Original Guillotine Nail Trimmer. The actual inventor of the guillotine-style dog nail clipper, US-based Resco, has been in business since 1937. They've remained an industry leader since then, often used by vets and groomers, and if any dog nail clipper could woo us from our long-term relationship with Epica, it's this one. These dog nail clippers cut so fast and create such clean cuts that our pup barely registered the pressure, making what could otherwise be a stressful, drawn-out job a 2-minute snap. Reviewers agree. Many state that these dog nail clippers work pretty well. The dog nail clipper is correctly proportioned for pets of every paw type. It is available in multiple sizes. There's even a specialized option for tiny pets like ferrets and lizards. At number 3, we have the Boshel Dog Nail Clippers and Trimmer. The Boshel Dog Nail Clippers not only have over 53,000 reviews and 4.5 stars on Amazon, but they're also recommended by veterinarians, pet groomers, and other pet professionals. They're also super affordable, so looking into them was a must. We found this set of dog nail clippers exceptionally comfortable to use, thanks to its ergonomic handles that are wide, cushioned, easy to grip, and push together effortlessly with a tension spring. The Boshel contains that all-important safety stop to prevent you from cutting too deep into your pet's nails, reducing their risk of injury. There's even a cute mini nail file, conveniently tucked into the handle for storage. The high-quality stainless steel blades are reasonably sharp, but might take a bit of effort to get through thicker nails. These dog nail clippers are suitable for medium or large dogs and cats, and should deliver a quick, smooth cut for your pet's nails. This reduces the time it takes to cut all of their nails, which in turn will allow for a happier pet. Overall, reviewers find that these easy-to-use dog nail clippers work great. At number 2, we have the Miller's Forge Dog Nail Clippers. Professional groomers recommend these heavy-duty dog nail clippers from Miller's Forge, which are a great pick. Made in Italy, these dog nail clippers have durable and sharp stainless steel blades. Aside from sharp cutting blades, these dog nail clippers also have an adjustable grip for comfort. Unfortunately, they lack a safety guard, so if you're wary of cutting your dog's nails yourself, they might not be the best pick. The built-in safety lock prevents accidental opening, thereby creating a hazard for you or anyone else, which is a nice feature. The Miller's Forge dog nail clippers come in multiple sizes, making them suitable for various breeds, but they aren't an excellent choice for small dog breeds. Reviewers say these dog nail clippers are great when you need to get the job done fast because they're so sharp, and people love the included hand grip. And finally, at number 1, we have the Safari Professional Nail Trimmer. This basic set of dog nail clippers by Coastal can accommodate a range of nail types, although reviewers find that it's not great for bigger dogs. These dog nail clippers come in two sizes, small and large, and are suitable for all types of pets, such as dogs, cats, and birds. The stainless steel double blades seem reasonably sharp and durable for such an affordable cutter. These dog nail clippers feature a sharp cutting edge and a no-slip vinyl grip, enabling a seamless and quick cutting process. Unfortunately, our hands quickly cramped during use, and we found the various locking mechanisms challenging to use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.